special Wednesday edition. I don't have my key. Hold on. Well, it's better. Key detected. Phone in hand. Special Wednesday edition. Let's try that again. We are headed out. Hopefully. Yes. Road trip for the boys. Javere and I are going to the Worthy Park Rum Tour. Worthy Park Rum Tour. I looked it up. Maybe. Yes, the Worthy Park Rum Tour. We're gonna go find out if we're worthy of the Worthy Park estate. Supposedly an hour and a half away. Mark your clocks. It is 8:10. We're leaving a bit early because I've never been in the middle of the island where the roads are interesting, I hear. But yeah, we're gonna go check out the Worthy Park Rum Tour today and hopefully get some great footage for you guys. Because I've never been. Jay's never been. And so we're going, like right now. In the morning.
In the morning.
8:09 a.m. And all is one with the universe.
Living the Jamaican drinking early.
You know what? We're sampling, Javere. This is a sample. You go in the rum tour and you sample the finest of the fine. As long as we can try to figure out how to get there. I know I start with a left, and we'll see what happens from there. Here we go. All right, we have reached the point of no return. We've never gotten this far up this road before, so all new pothole territory. But part of the reason for this adventure, excuse the wind. Yeah, part of the reason for this adventure was to get a chance to travel around some parts of Jamaica here that I've never been to. And Jay, have you been?
I've never been to. No.
You never went up here?
Mm-hmm. First time up there.
Yeah. According to Google Legend, we're headed in the right direction. So
Hopefully.
enjoy the time lapse, because we know we will. All right, so as I should have known, my own ignorance. Yeah, Google's not happy. Google's telling you to do things you shouldn't do. So we asked a couple locals which way to go, and apparently we need to go to Guys Hill first. So we've got backup. Javere's got the Apple
Map
directions. I've got Google directions. As long as we're headed west and southwest, I think we're still going in the right direction. We're using the sun at this point. And Javere's Apple. Still going. There we were, just driving along, checking out the rows of sugar cane and pineapple, and I got a call from Mr. Junior's principal. Junior, get this, if you watched yesterday's episode, you know that Junior re-chipped or broke the fixed piece of tooth that he had for his front tooth. But the principal called me this morning, and unfortunately, Junior has lied to them, saying that he bought the bag juice at school and broke it this morning. So they've wasted a bunch of time looking for their broken tooth and are feeling like they need to try and get his tooth fixed because he's told them that he broke it at school. And that's disappointing. I'm sorry that Junior lied to the principal and the teacher and made them waste their time, and I apologize to the principal. And yeah, Junior's gonna have some consequences for his dishonesty, which is, I thought we were past that, but I wanted to share with you guys that Junior has made a bad decision, and there will be some removal of some toys because of which, including his bicycle. And find out tomorrow what comes of it, because we're going to the estate after I get through this lovely road. Oh, we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Almost there. Come on, Jay.
Yeah, I gotta put your
Come on,
back
Jay.
into it. Come on, muscle, energy, push.
Javere got his workout in, got to wind the sugar cane himself, and made it look not so easy. I don't know. I think Javere hasn't been training in the off season, but we're gonna go ahead and hop on and go for a ride. Jay,
Yeah.
you look a little tired, dude.
Not anymore.
Let's go. Okay, we did it. We survived the rum tour, sampled the rum samples. I'm glad there wasn't a test at the end of it because I felt like the way she was dramatic about some terms, like I knew there was going to be a test at the end. But that was cool. It's very informative and educational.
Yeah.
Javere got a workout,
I did.
pushing the
mill.
cane mill.
Yeah.
And now I'm gonna get a workout driving home, but we're gonna stop and try and get a little bit of drone shots for everybody because I can't guarantee I'll be coming around this neck of the woods anytime soon given the fun roads that we get to travel on. So we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna go find a spot to fly a drone and
I already found a spot though.
oh boy.
Stay
He
tuned.
really knows how to send off to the next
Stay tuned.
finger pointing. You're still doing the finger point. Oh god, we'll be back. That concludes our trip to the, where did we go? Worthy Park.
Worthy Park.
Come on, that was your
Estate.
Worthy Park Estate. Yeah. And I hope you enjoyed the beautiful drone footage of places you've probably never seen before. You know why I know that? Because I've never seen them before. And we took a different route home than we did there. And it was interesting. It still is interesting. So thanks for tuning in. It was an enjoyable experience. I hope we get home in one piece. The road is getting laughable. But oh wow, I think we're on the, hold on. Come on. Up the, yep. I think we're gonna make it. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we're having supposedly a water day. We're gonna bring Javere and Kami out to some of the landmarks that we've visited before to see what they think. We're gonna bring the drone along with for the ride to see what we can find, and hope to see you guys tomorrow. Jay, any final words?
Nope. So
Wow.
us luck to get home, and remember to hit that subscribe button on there, and
Dude,
have a good day.
YouTuber from like 2005. Come on, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna get out and push if we don't get through this mud.
And then hit that like button.
Oh yeah, don't mind him. He's new to the YouTube world. We're gonna go. Don't break your, oh gosh.
I know.
Here we go.